So, this is our shop dog here at Vintage Gas. Her name's Pepper. She was found about 2 years ago at my shop when I was coming home from work one afternoon. It was going to be real cold, about in the 20s that night. And I was like, man, there ain't no way I can let this fucking dog stay out. No, I wouldn't be able to sleep at night knowing this dog is outside. But she likes it. What a fucking turd. But she likes pizza crust. Well, she likes everything, but I mean, look at that face. How can you deny it? Pepper, what do you want? You want some pizza? Huh? You want pizza? Is this what you want? If I can get it in the camera. Yeah, is this what you want? Huh? See, I'm being so good. What a fucking... What the fuck? What a fucking piece of shit. Hey. Dude, look at this fucking car.